So first one, uh, this is the exercise of chapter 2nd, nutrition in animals. So first question is tick the correct option. First is during digestion, complex substances are broken down into dash. What will be the answer?
Small simple
Small simple
molecules.
molecules.
Small simple molecules.
Yes, actually in digestion
Small
what
simple
happens? In digestion the breakdown of complex substance takes place into small simple molecules. So the correct answer is small simple molecule. Next, pancreatic juice mixes with the food in the dash.
Small intestine.
Mouth.
Small intestine.
Small intestine.
Okay, what happens? Pancreatic juice is released from pancreas, and pancreas is pouring its secretion into the small intestine where the complete breakdown of carbohydrate, fat and protein takes place. So that place is small intestine. Okay, next is saliva contain a digestive juice called.
Amylase.
Yes,
Amylase.
exactly, that's amylase. So saliva contains the digestive juice that is called amylase, and amylase having a specific function to break down the carbohydrate present in the food into simple sugar molecules. Next, during digestion fat is broken down into,
Fatty acid.
yes, that's
Fatty
the
acid.
fatty acid. Very good. Next, bile help in the digestion of,
Only
Only
protein.
fat.
Only protein.
Only fat.
no, only fat is broken down with the help of bile, and you are knowing that bile is secreted in liver and that is stored in gallbladder, and bile helps in the digestion of fat. Next, glucose combines with oxygen and produce,
Energy.
Energy.
yes, that's energy. So glucose combines with oxygen to produce energy. Next, the process by which a living cell releases energy from glucose is called,
Cellular respiration.
Cellular respiration.
yes, that's cellular respiration. So the process by which a living cell releases energy from glucose, that process is called cellular respiration. Actually this process is taking place at the cellular level. Okay, next is during digestion proteins are broken down into
Amino
Amino
acid.
acid.
Amino acid.
amino acid. As you are knowing that proteins are made up of amino acid, so that it is broken down into amino acid. Okay, now match the following. So this answer you have to write in the chat box. Okay, so first one is salivary gland. So salivary gland secretes saliva, I think. So this will be the answer. Next, gastric juice. So gastric juice are pepsin and hydrochloric acid. Next is mucosa. Mucosa is a membrane and that secretes mucus in the stomach. Next, liver. Liver having a specific function to secrete bile juice. And next is pancreas, and pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. Okay, let me see how many of you have made mistake. Okay, so answer from Nisa Bharti, Roshan Kumar, Dipti Sharma, Vandana Kumari, Tejas, Vartika, Sadhana Bharti, Osho Kumar. Okay, so all of you just check that you have given the answer that is correct or not. I am audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have done this in your book using pencil. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall we move in to the next slide? Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now here, name the following. We have to give the name. It digests carbohydrate, protein, fat in the small intestine.
Pancreatic juice.
1 minute.
Pancreatic juice.
Pancreatic juice.
Wait, that is pancreatic. Here some student was asking any question. Who was asking? Ask me again.
सर 6 नंबर का क्या होगा?
Where is 6? Where is 6 number?
Take the correct option में. Take the correct option.
Here you see 6. Glucose combined with oxygen and produces energy.
सर फर्स्ट नंबर में.
During digestion, complex substance is broken down into this. This is done,
Yes sir.
Ujjwal, but this is not a good habit. If you are joining the class very late and you are asking, sir, इसमें क्या होगा? So no student will repeat this kind of activity. If you are joining late, we are just moving very slowly. Okay, next question. Number 3. Name the following. We have to name the following. Which it digests carbohydrate, protein, and fat in small intestine. Answer was
Pancreatic juice.
Pancreatic juice.
yes. The answer was
Pancreatic juice.
Pancreatic juice.
pancreatic juice. Okay, next it transport the nutrient from the digested food to every cell of the body.
Blood.
Yes, very good.
Blood.
Very good. That's blood.
Blood.
That is blood. Next, it break down starch into sugar in the mouth.
Glucose.
Glucose.
Amylase.
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 Yes, amylase is the enzyme that helps to break down starch into sugar in our mouth, and amylase is secreted by salivary gland, है ना? And that is mixed in the saliva. So that is amylase. Next, it produces bile juice.
Liver.
Gall.
Yes, very
Liver.
good. That's liver.
Gallbladder.
No, gallbladder stores bile, but bile is produced in liver. Bile is produced in liver. So anybody having confusion?
सर 3 नंबर में क्या लिखे सर?
It breaks down starch into sugar in the mouth. That is amylase. AMYLASE. Okay, so shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it secretes pepsin. What is it?
Stomach.
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 Gastric juice.
Gastric juice.
Gastric juice.
Protein.
No.
Digest protein.
Here asking that it secretes pepsin. So pepsin is secreted by stomach, but in stomach there is a gland, that is gastric gland. So if we have not studied about the gastric gland, then we will not write gastric gland, we will write simply stomach. So here you see that we have studied that the gland present in the inner wall of the stomach. So that gland is named as gastric gland. So that gland secrete gastric juice. So that gland name as gastric gland. Okay. So what you will write?
Gland.
So you can write gastric gland.
Gland.
Gastric gland. Okay, gastric gland secrete gastric juice. They are building block of protein. Yes, tell me.
Amino acid.
Yes,
Amino
that's
acid.
amino acid.
Amino acid.
Amino acid.
Very good. Next, it protect the lining of the stomach.
Mucus.
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 Yes, very good.
Mucus.
Mucus is secreted from mucosa membrane, and mucus protect the lining of stomach from HCl. Very good. Okay, next it secretes pancreatic juice.
Pancreas.
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 Yes, that is pancreas. Okay, so we have done the multiple choice questions. We have done the match the following. Now we have done the third number question. Now coming to the fourth one. Answer the following question in 2 to 3 sentences. So you have to answer this question in 2 to 3 sentences. So now first one, you have to raise your hand who will give the answer. What is digestion? Raise your hand. Okay, here I see. Okay, Ankit Kumar. Ankit.
The process
Ankit,
by
wait.
which the
Ankit.
body convert useful substances.
Ankit, tell me the page number.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the page number where answer is written. Page number
15.
15.
15.
Okay, page number 15.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now tell me the answer. Digestion. Define digestion. Okay. Define. Ankit. बोलो.
The process by which the body convert useful substances in the food into simple usable substances is known as digestion.
Yes. So this answer was of fourth का 1 है ना. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में चलते हैं. Okay, next question. Name the organ of the human digestive system. So you all are knowing. ये कहाँ आंसर दिया हुआ है? पेज नंबर
15.
15 में आपको लिखने हैं the organ of the human digestive system. चलिए organ जो है दिखाते हैं. Yes, here it is. The organ of human digestive system ये होगा the mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine are organ of human digestive system. ये कितने का आंसर हो गया? 4 का
2.
2. चलो नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Yes, 3. Differentiate between incisor and canine. Who will tell me? Who will tell me the answer? Incisor and canine के बीच difference. Page number
15 and 16.
15 and 16. Yes, 15 and 16. चलिए पेज नंबर 15 16 में आता है. कौन है? Incisor and canine. Okay. Incisor and canine. Where it is? Yes, here it is incisor. So you will write about incisor from here. Incisor is a cutting teeth, sharp edge, bite or cut the small piece. So this is a fourth का third. इधर भी fourth का third होगा canine में भी. Do not unmute your call. Please keep your mic off. ये fourth का third. ठीक है? Any problem?
No, sir.
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आते हैं. नेक्स्ट नेम एनी वन डाइजेस्टिव जूस एंड डिस्क्राइब इट्स रोल इन डाइजेशन. कौन बताओगे? हु विल टेल मी द आंसर? राइज योर हैंड. निशा भारती. यस निशा.
The mucosa secretes mucus which protects the inner lining of the stomach.
Yes, so that is also correct. So you have to give one name of digestive juice. Yes, mucus. You can write about mucus also. You can write about HCl also. You can write about pepsin also. So I think writing
Sir, bile.
bile also, you can write about bile also. That is also digestive juice. So tell me the page number where it is written. Page number
17.
17. Now come to page number 17. Write about any of the digestive juice. You can write about bile also. Just write about bile. It is written very. Bile is secreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. The bile juice help in the digestion of fat. है ना? So that is good. 4 का number 4. ठीक है? Okay. You can write about pepsin also. You can write about HCl also. So I am writing about bile. Any problem?
No, sir.
No problem. Okay. Next question. What are where are villi located? What are their function? Page number.
Sir.
Page number.
Page number 18.
18. Okay.
18.
Sir, 18.
Okay. Aman, tell me where villi located?
Blood vessels.
The inner wall of small intestine has finger-like projection called villi. These villi are richly supplied with blood vessels.
Very good. So this is the answer of number 4th का 5th. Aman? Aman, this is the answer of 5th number question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to 6th number question. How does human body obtain fatty acid? ये बता, ह्यूमन के बॉडी में फैटी एसिड कहाँ से आता है? यस, पेज नंबर.
Yes, sir.
Human body
18.
obtain fatty acid
Page number?
from fat.
18.
चलिए पेज नंबर 18 में आते हैं. देखते हैं कहाँ पे आंसर दिया हुआ है कि फैटी एसिड
Page
कहाँ
number
से.
18.
ये 18 है.
पानी.
Now please keep your mic off. Okay, so fatty acid human body obtained from fat, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how you will write this? You will have to write from here: fat present in the food items such as butter, oil, milk, meat, complex substance, they are broken into simple fatty acid. So this is the answer number 4th का 6. ठीक है?
6.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना? इफ़ यू हैव यू कैन आस्क मी डायरेक्टली. सारे आंसर.
No, sir.
चलिए नंबर 5 में आता है. डिस्क्राइब द डाइजेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. पेज नंबर. कार्बोहाइड्रेट के डाइजेशन को डिस्क्राइब करना है. बता.
Page number 60.
16.
Yes, sir.
16 में क्या दिया है कार्बोहाइड्रेट के डाइजेशन के बारे में?
Yes, sir. 4th paragraph.
चलिए देखते हैं. यस, यू जस्ट रीड. Just read the answer. अरे आंसर पढ़ो.
The digestion
The
The
digestion of
digestion.
carbohydrates.
of the food begins in the mouth. These salivary glands secrete saliva. The mouth saliva contains a digestive juice called amylase. Amylase breaks down carbohydrate into sugar.
Yes. So the digestion of carbohydrate present in the food begins in the mouth, and the salivary gland secretes saliva in the mouth, and saliva contain a digestive juice called amylase, and amylase break down carbohydrate into sugar. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question is, how are proteins in your food digested? So this is a good question. So tell me how proteins in your food digested.
Sir, page number 18.
Okay, coming to the page number 18, and you just tell me the answer. Proteins are digested with the help of
Protein present in food. Items such as pulses, milk.
Protein present in the
amino
food
acids
items
which are
such as
body
plant and milk and
Food items
fish are
and
complex
pulses.
acids.
no.
They are
That
broken
is
into amino acids.
that is not the answer.
Which are building blocks.
That is not the answer. Here question is asking how proteins are broken down.
Sir, page number 17.
Yes.
17.
This. So you have to take the help from here. You have to write this also. Pepsin begins the digestion of protein. So first of all you have to write this. Pepsin begins the digestion of protein, है ना? And now you have to write
What?
this. The pancreatic juice break down carbohydrate, protein and fats into simple substance. Then protein present in food items such as pulse, milk, fish and complex substance, they are broken into amino acid which are building block of protein. That much you have to write how proteins are broken down. ठीक है? So ये कितने का था? 5th का नंबर 2 है ना?
Yes, sir.
How is
Yes, sir.
cells our body?
Next question. Please keep your mic off. How is energy obtained by the cells in our body? Page number. Through cellular respiration. है ना? Page number क्या है बताओ?
21.
Yes, page number 21 and 22. चलिए देखते हैं. How energy is obtained by cell in our body. It is about cellular respiration. So here it is given. Where is 21 page number?
21 and 22.
यहाँ पे.
No, sir.
मेरे पास पेज नंबर पता नहीं चल रहा है. हेल्प मी.
सर काव का
The digestion of grass-eating animals के नीचे है.
अच्छा यहाँ पे है.
यही है
सर,
सर, यही
हाँ,
है.
यही।
सर पीछे सर पीछे
यही।
यही है सर.
Okay. तो यहाँ से लिखेंगे the glucose broken down into inside the cell in the presence of oxygen. This process, the energy present in glucose is released along the carbon dioxide and water. This process is known as cellular respiration. है ना? This is how the cell obtain and perform different functions. तो ये भी लिख देंगे. So this is on
Yes, sir.
number 5 का number 3.
3.
ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Describe the digestive system of ruminant. है ना?
Page number 20.
Page number?
Page number 21.
21.
Page number 21. Let us come here. digestive system, yeah, digestion in ruminant. So you have to write from
The
the
chewed food से.
the chewed food passes into the rumen where the microorganism begin the digestion of the food. The animal now regurgitates and bring the content of the rumen back into the mouth several times to chew it. This food material is now called curd. The additional chewing help in breaking down the cellulose content further. The regurgitation and chewing of the curd is known as rumination, and the animal does is called ruminants. ये हो गया फिफ्थ का नंबर 4. नंबर 4 ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number. Now last question, fifth का 5. Explain nutrition in amoeba.
Page number 22.
22.
20.
Yeah. So you have to make the diagram of this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just make this diagram. This is the answer of fifth का 6.
सर क्वेश्चन लिख के डायग्राम भी बनाना है सर.
Yes. So this chapter's question answer is completed. Now we have higher order questions.